from Holland, brother. Happy birthday to you. Wow. You don't look a day over 15. Well, brother, they said that you wanted us to tell you a joke for your birthday, just to make you giggle. So, I was going to tell you a joke, but I decided I'm going to show you one. This is what happens when you get together with a bunch of your friends. You could still make a good joke. So, for your birthday, brother, I present to you this.
You can't keep shit in your mouth. Let's go. Come on. There you go. Was that it? No. What was I doing?
You kids get off my lawn.
All right, Gino's turn. That's a good one. Ready? Here we go. That's a real good one.
Why not?
All right. Somebody's on video.
Right.
It's on video. You get a little something. Did you bring your phone? No, there you go. You don't get it. All right, one more time. Right? No, turn around.
Look forward. Forward, dude.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. No crossing. You want kind of a short spoon? The shortest spoon is best. All right, I'll give you the shortest spoon. All right, give me the shortest spoon. I'll try the longer spoon.
Next time, Dan, the tiny trick.
You get it? There you go. Come on. Crack it like a whip.
You trying to bring a hard-boiled egg here, man? Come on, let's go.
I heard
I got the little. This one ain't gonna be as bad. I got the little thunk on that one. Is there a napkin over there?
It's getting harder and harder.